Today we will learn how to quickly create a top N chart. So a chart on which we can see top N values. But it's important that we want a quick way to change number of top values. So for example, I want 4 top values, 5 top values, only 2 top values, and just like that our chart is changing based on value from C1 cell. Okay, so let's start with hardcode number of top N values, and we will be checking if our values is one from the top or not. So we will be using if function and proper logical test. So we want to check if this cells is larger, greater than or equal to top N values, so the large function, and we are checking those values for lock it and then comma, and from now we hardcode 3 as our top N, and based on this logical test we want to return sales or we want to return an error. And sometimes we can use double quotes as empty text string, but in case of the charts, most cases the error function and a function is better, because we won't see any values when we don't need. So our formula, let's copy it down, and we now have 3 top values. And now we can create our chart. So just one cell is enough to select here and then go on the insert tab, and let's use 2D column cluster chart, and we have our chart. We need to select one of the columns and then Ctrl 1, and we need to change series overlap to 100% plus, and gap width, let's make it smaller, let's say this value, so our columns are wider. And on this chart I don't care about chart title, those horizontal lines, and in the legend I don't want to see sales series, so I need to click once to select legend and then click second time on the sales series and delete to delete them, and then I can select just legend and move it in the different place on the chart. And let's adjust plot area, so make it taller. Okay, and it's enough change on this chart. We just need to add data labels to our top N values, and we just need to select this, in our case lighter bluish color, so this and plus and data labels. So we can see we have only 3 data labels, and we don't see those values with errors connected to them. Okay, so now we want to change our formula to be more robust, so we want a way to change this hardcode 3 to a number from cell C1, and we just need to change formatting for this cell. So select this cell C1, Ctrl 1, go to number tab, custom, and instead of general we want to write in double quotes, so as a text, top space and close double quotes, and then after double quotes 0, so a number, and just like that, just press OK, and now I can write 4, I can write 2, and I will get top and the number I have written in cell C1. And now we can change formula, so from 3 to cell C1, F4 lock it, and we can copy our formula, and let's check if it's working. 4, yes, 5, yes, and 2 once again, yes. So just like that we create a chart with top and values.